down 2,000. NASDAQ down 5% due to tariffs. Man, I'm never gonna retire. Tariffs. At this point, we're just going to dab right into it. So I've determined that it was my belt that was bad in this Craftsman garden tiller. You could tell by when I was playing with the handle that there was no more tension, but I still felt the tension was going up and down. I also felt the belt slip off, and now it's probably a good 15 years old, so it's time for this belt to be changed. So let's open it up, and I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to use these vice grips because it's a 6.5mm wrench, and I don't have that. And not only that, the nuts are stripped. The head is stripped on the screw. So open it up. There's one. Put that on the ground and go down the other side. Take off this here and screw. It's going to give me access to the belt guard here. And, oh, what's going on here? Tariff savings. Don't tell wife. Play poker with the boys. Alright. So we could take our tariff savings. We'll put that in our pocket. And we're going to grab our new belt here. And first we'll slip it around the back. The big pulley. And then we come over here. Over to the little pulley, make sure it's between these two guards, belt guards. I'm just going to go in, slip it over, go along a little bit. There we go. Make sure it's on there. And then we're going to hit our handle, make sure we got tension on that belt. Alright. Then what we're going to want to do is start it up and test it. Alright. Alright, at this point, I'm going to want to put the belt guard back on. I'm also going to replace those stripped out screws. I'm going to pull up on the handle. Make sure that pulley underneath that belt guard here. And I'll replace these with a screw style. Okay. Go over here and use my drill. I'm just going to screw that on like that. Screw that on like that. Anyway, if you like the content we're leaving, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm all in.